Did you know that fall is the absolute best time to plant in Las Vegas? As the weather begins to cool, your outdoor space can really thrive. Stick around to unlock the secrets on how you can enhance your yard this fall. Hello everyone, and thanks for joining us. Today we're going to explore essential fall gardening tips for Southern Nevada. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just getting started, these tips will give your yard a leg up. Fall is the best time to plant in Southern Nevada because it gives your plants and trees as much time as possible to acclimate to their new environment. With cooler temperatures and increased moisture, they can establish their root systems, ensuring that your plants and trees are strong and resilient before the intense heat of the summer sun finally arrives. By taking advantage of fall planting, you're giving your plants and trees a head start and their best chance at success. Try incorporating these species into your garden to add vibrant colors and interest as other plants begin to go dormant. Not only will they brighten up your landscape during cooler months, but they'll also attract pollinators preparing for winter. Choosing the right fall blooming plants can create a stunning display that will enhance your garden's beauty as the seasons change. Pruning is vital at this time of the year. Remove dead or damaged branches from shrubs and trees after they finish blooming. Remove water shoots and crossing branches as well, but avoid heavy pruning just before winter to keep them safe from frost damage. It's also a good idea to clean up fallen leaves and debris to prevent pests and provide clear visibility and access to your irrigation system. Adding organic matter like compost or well-aged manure can dramatically improve your soil structure and health. And let's not forget about mulching. A layer of organic mulch around your plants helps retain moisture and regulate soil temperature. Just remember, avoid piling it up against plant stems or tree trunks to prevent rot. Clear out weeds and help your plants get the nutrients they need without competition. A landscape fabric can also be a great potential solution for keeping weeds at bay. It's time to inspect your irrigation system. Turn on each zone individually and walk your property looking and listening for any signs of leaks, clogs, or broken and missing emitters. Carry a stash of replacement emitters and goof plugs on you to make small repairs as necessary, and be sure to dial back the number of watering days on your irrigation clock. We recommend watering plants and trees 2 days a week, 3 days if you still have grass. Implementing these fall landscaping tips will not only enhance your garden's beauty, but it will ensure it thrives throughout the season. Remember, gardening in the Mojave Desert can be rewarding given the right insight and technique. If you've enjoyed these tips, please give us a thumbs up, follow for more content, and feel free to leave your own plant tips in the comments below. Happy gardening! Discover endless inspiration for your garden at Springs Preserve, where creativity blooms year-round.